Once upon a time, there was an MSME, a micro, small or medium enterprise. Rahul had started his textile business from a small factory in Virar. Against all odds and all expectations, he had built his business and made it successful. He manufactured fine pieces of textile and sold them to designers, clothing labels and retailers. He was super proud of himself and his business. But now he had even higher aspirations for his small business. He was looking to expand its operations and delivery from Mumbai to Bangalore, Delhi and Ahmedabad as well. But in order to make this expansion happen, it required setting up capital and working capital for a few months for his new branches. He had only two options. He could either take an MSME loan or ask for money from his mom and relatives. Now in India, there are loans specially designed for MSMEs that act as valuable financial resources to help them fuel their business growth, offered by banks, non-banking financial companies, NBFCs, and fintech platforms. Such loans are called MSME loans. But unfortunately, he did not know about MSME loans. Therefore, he went over to mom's house and asked for the money. Oh, that's an understatement. He begged for it. But his mother did not agree. His relatives, his chachis and buas also did not agree. They all said the same thing. You are not eligible. Eligible you are not. So not eligible. Eligible and you? No, we cannot give you anything. Rahul was devastated. But then suddenly, his good friend Annadatta Mukherjee told him, "Are you mad? Apply for a MSME loan with IIFL Finance already." Rahul's eyes opened wide and he said, "What are MSME loans?" Annadatta Mukherjee explained to him what he was missing out on, and Rahul immediately decided to apply for an IIFL Finance MSME loan. Now, the eligibility criteria of financial institutions like IIFL to give out MSME loans might be dependent on many factors, like the type of your business or the age of your business. It might depend on your credit score and turnover of your business, but it will never depend on whether or not your mother or your relatives like you or not. IIFL Finance follows a fair process as per the guidelines set by the government so that your MSME journey can be easy and hassle-free. Rahul simply passed the eligibility criteria for the MSME loans. I mean, of course, he was after all a resident of India and not an NGO. Oh, I didn't tell you. So basically, to avail MSME loans, you have to be 1. A citizen of India, 2. Be more than 21 years and not more than 70 years of age, and 3. Be a MSME. So if you're any of the following: shopkeepers, retailers, wholesalers, micro as well as small manufacturing businesses, jewelers or self-employed individuals, congratulations! You are eligible to apply for an MSME loan. However, you are not if you are an NGO, trust or other charitable establishment. There are separate options for those organizations. The minimum loan amount you can ask for in a metro or non-metro city is 2 lakh rupees up to 10 crore rupees, and your loan tenure would be 10 years. Did you know you can also avail loans for micro enterprises such as salons, grocery stores, vegetable meat vendors, tea stalls, or even tiffin centers? IIFL Shakti Loan is one such offering by IIFL Home Loans that tries to bridge the gap between low capital and small unorganized businesses. Share this video with a person you know will benefit from this information now. For those loans, the eligibility criteria has some variations. Here, the age requirements change to 18 to 75 years and loan tenure is up to 3 years. Now, we already discussed, Rahul passed the eligibility criteria and after a simple process, got the loan too. Between you and me, his chachi number 2 and chacha number 5 did not like it at all. But anyway, Rahul has now successfully expanded into 2 of his 3 dream cities and goes on non-stop about the power of MSME loans. Now, before you too achieve your dreams with an MSME loan, we should talk about some basics. See, it's a given to maintain a good credit score to improve the chances of loan approvals. But also, while applying for an MSME loan, always have a clear business plan in mind. That means know exactly where and why you need the money for, your target market, competitive analysis, revenue projections, strategy, everything. Secondly, assess your situation carefully to best understand your financial needs. And always seek good advice from people you trust. They might advise you things like IIFL Finance is the one-stop solution for all your MSME business needs. And guess what? They will be right. Like this video, subscribe to IIFL Finance YouTube channel and write in the comments any more questions that you might have.